Hey guys, now it's time to see what is a ternary operator in Java. So what is a ternary operator? The ternary operator, also known as a conditional operator, is a shorthand way of writing an if-else statement in Java. It's represented by the question mark colon symbol and is used to make the code more concise when you need to assign a value to a variable based on a condition. This is the syntax. We have the variable on the left equals, we put the condition, question mark, then the expression, the first expression, which is going to be assigned to the variable if the condition is true, and the second expression, which is going to be assigned to the variable if the condition is false. So again, here the condition is a Boolean expression. If the condition is true, expression 1 is evaluated and assigned to the variable. Otherwise, expression 2 is evaluated and assigned to the variable. So let's open IntelliJ to see an example. Alright, so I'll define a string variable here. So it's going to be a string called the result. It's going to be equal to, and I will put here parentheses. Let's define another variable up here. Let's call it int number equals to, let's say, 10. And inside the parentheses, I will put number. Let's say the modulus operator, %2. Let's put here equals 0. So if that is the case, I'll put question mark and I will type here. I'm going to say even colon, and I will put here add. So if this condition evaluates to true, now the number is going to be even because you don't have a reminder, so the number is divided completely. Else it's going to assign the add, so it's going to be an add number if the number %2, so the reminder is greater than 0. But if it's 0, that means it's an even number. Now let's print this. So I'm going to type here SOUT result, but let's put some text before. So let's put here the number is plus. Now let's run this. And get the number is even. If I change this number to 7, which is an odd number, the remainder is going to be greater than 0. So if I run this, we get the number is odd. So this is the ternary operator, and it's very useful in a situation where you want to write a shorthand of an if statement. So in that case, you can use the ternary operator in cases where you are interested to have the code more concise. Alright. I'll end this video here and see you in the next video. But before that, let me tell you that here you can have any kind of expression. It can be, you can also have, you can put here and, you can have here another expression here. So you can, there is no limit to how big the expression can be. As long as it is an expression, it will be valid. So I'm gonna end this video here and see you in the next video.